Yo, bro, got you some electrolytes. Electrolyte. It's like electrolytes, but you get lit while drinking electrolytes.
You even English, bro? Look at that 6 Subaru. It's got carbon fiber.
Fuck you, drink it now. You're fucking dehydrated. You're gonna fucking die racing.
I'm not gonna drink it.
Premium hydration, alright?
Don't care.
It says premium hydration.
Premium hydration? This fucking Bartle Skeet, Mr. Cletus. Fuck you.
Yep.
Refreshing.
We're going.
In frickin' line. What's it look like?
Back at Vandermeer.
Back at Vandermeer, gonna run some more 13s. Whoop.
See if this turd can run faster than a fucking 18-second pass.
Shut up, stupid Corvette. I'm trying to talk.
Yeah.
Corvette owners, bro. Oh, yeah.
You just wish you had one.
I do. I want a Z06 bad.
Same.
Be like these people behind us trailered their SHO over here.
Yeah, bro. What the fuck is that shit, dude? These people from Wyoming
They
trailer
have a trailer
fucking
with
Taurus
their,
over here.
a stock Taurus SHO on it, and they're gonna run it. Like,
I don't understand, bro.
Some people, bro.
I guess it makes them happy, right?
I'm gonna laugh. It makes like 1,000 horse and pulls every
Fucking
door off.
gaps you hard, dog. I'd laugh as fuck.
I would too, but there's like a 1% chance of that happening.
I mean, I don't know. You run 18s pretty consistently, so.
Fuck you.
Pay real quick and get this fucking thing teched in.
Tech. And
What else you got to say? You gonna go weigh it again?
I just want to double check it while I'm at the end of the track.
Okay.
After the first pass.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Girl. Damn, Daniel. What that SHO do?
Yeah.
That SHO do?
Bone stock, baby.
Hashtag trailer queen. You're good. Gucci. Sick plate, bro. Yeah, I know.
What are we going today? 8?
What were they at before?
8.
Let's go to 8. Did it seem sketchy on the shutdown? No? Should be good then. Just clapped out turd.
Now I just need to figure out why the fucking idle's like shit. It does that stupid stutter bull crap.
Yeah.
Ow, ow, ow. Already having issues with it.
Fuck piece of shit. Easy, killer. Don't have a seat.
Don't care. Yeah, I don't know. Fucking goofy ass car, bro. If I have to turn up the boost even more, I'm gonna be hurt. I'll be real hurt.
You'll be alright.
That's better.
Good?
Yeah, I don't know why it does that shit, bro.
I don't fucking know, dude.
Sometimes it runs fine, sometimes it doesn't.
Stupid motherfuckers. Like it. 120. Wait, what were you doing? You adjusting the tune?
That
What did
pass
that
was good.
11
It made
like?
like 15, a little under, like right at 16 all the way down the track.
Yeah, trap.
First was too much, so I turned it down.
Was it? Is that why you
Yes,
couldn't get it in second or what?
No, it just was spinning bad, so I short shifted it.
Oh, okay.
Why? What trap did you do?
It was 121.
Yeah.
That's way better than what it was last week. So
First time I came out, it was 101, so we're getting something.
yeah, might have
40
to.
mile an hour, baby.
Yeah, might have to turn it up a little bit to get a higher trap. Down on the trap speed. First gear seemed pretty decent though.
What's up, BB?
What the fuck happened?
Only made 13 pounds of boost that run.
Doesn't make any sense, dude.
Dude, I don't know.
I could tell right away too, because it only trapped like 112.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is going on.
Turn it up a little bit?
I turned it, I gave it 1% more on all the gears, and then I turned down first some more because it was spinning again.
Well, like it comes out of the hole good and then smacks limiter all hard.
Yeah, because it starts fucking hopping.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, shit, Ron, did you bring him some axles?
I brought all of the axles again.
So we can snap some axles
See
in.
his turbo and that's this fucking bike.
Bruh.
That's route.
Bro, check this shit out, dude.
Should be fucking around.
Got this little turbo bike, rear mounted. Shit's so wild, dude. Can't get up there because there's a different car coming.
What do you think it runs?
Probably not very fast, but just cool.
Yeah.
It's probably not very fast, it's just kind of cool. This is kind of cool. It sounds weird. That was third gear, huh?
Yeah, that was third.
There wasn't enough water down, dude. There's fucking no water, bro.
Yeah.
I don't know why they keep doing that, dude. They like are being stingy with the water. I don't know what the fuck the deal is. Them sandwiches though, and then limiter. So bad, dude. 106, 13.9 at 106. Shitty.
And he like read a book in between first and second gear.
Dude, he wrote a fucking novel in between the gears, dude.
God damn.
I don't even know he could read. Hey,
You know,
hey,
you need a stage 5 driver. I got you right
hey,
here, bro.
K-Paso, what the fuck happened, dog?
Don't know, dude. Wouldn't come up on two-step worth of shit, so I turned that back up. And we'll see.
Jesus, bro.
What about
Did you turn the boost back up?
I don't know what the fuck.
How'd the data log look?
I don't know. I turned it up last pass. It made 14 pounds of boost, but that's higher than the first pass that it made 16.
I don't fucking know, dude. That's just weird.
what about that first to second gear? That's what I want to know.
Yeah, he don't want to talk about it. He's still trying to figure out what happened, bro. He still can't find second gear.
Huh?
Said he still can't find second gear. He's still looking for it.
It's going up for sale tonight.
Is
No,
that
it's
If
fucking
anybody's
not.
interested,
Is that second loss?
500 with the wheels.
5,500.
5,500 with
Wait a minute. Let's get a good walk around of this fucking thing.
5,500 for 14-second car?
All right,
I'll give you.
I'll paint it.
I'll give you.
Whatever
I'll give
color
you.
want.
I'll give you 3 grand cash.
No, 5,500 bucks.
5,500. Is it
whatever
sleeved?
color.
No.
What the fuck?
It's got nip and pistons on it.
Yeah,
though.
no.
They're not even forged.
No. No. No.
Dude, is this some? lazy. Like it's in gear, but it won't spool. 116 still. Dude, I don't know why he can't get it to trap any higher.
Yeah, well, his front half is junk.
Doing?
For sale.
What happened?
Fucking piece of shit.
What happened?
Fucking turbo's hitting the fucking compressor again. Car won't run under fucking $6,000. I'm over it, dude.
Yeah. You got an oil leak too or what?
Yeah.
No.
See it kind of dripping. It's not bad. It's just the cam seal, but that's the least of my worries right now.
Yeah, and might have a her cylinder again.
Yeah. Who knows, dude?
Fucking 6 passes on this motor.
Yeah, 6 passes on this motor. So we'll see what happens, but
yeah, we'll figure it out. If you don't sell it, go to that LS gang.
Sell that shit.
I'm kind of down to just sell it, dude. I'm over it.
Who wants to buy it?
It's like, it literally doesn't run under 5,500. It literally doesn't run. It just either completely rich or completely lean. Bucks, sputters, fucking, it's junk, dude. I'm over it.
Yeah. Well, shit, Aaron.
Unless somebody comes up with $5,000, it's yours. I'll throw in the wheels and the Frank's 3-piece for it.
Yeah. It's not a bad deal if you redo the motor.
Got a fucking 8.5 cage.
Shit, bro.
He's done skis.
Plus the Kirky.
And Kirky, fuck dude, it's got so much shit. Somebody could part this thing out and make more than what they're gonna buy it for.
For $5,000?
Yeah.
I don't know about that,
Yeah.
but maybe. Maybe.
It's clean. If I painted it, if I painted this thing.
Oh, if you painted it, yeah. If you painted it, but not like this. Huh? Jesus Christ. He ain't playing no games today. Jesus, that well the diff life. What? Huh? Solid.
Park ground.
Sketchy DA motherfuckers.
Sketchy pile of fucking shit. How about that?
Same. At least yours runs and drives.
Barely.
So what doing?
Check compression real quick. Dude, this turbo has 0 shaft play.
But it looks like it's rubbing on the housing.
It is rubbing on the housing. Come zoom in on it.
See if I can get it. Oh, I think I can see it like this. Oh, shit.
See that?
No bueno.
But it's got 0 shaft play, so I think it's that intercooler tugging on it.
Yeah, because you have yours just like how Jeremy's was.
Well, it's got mounts on the bottom, but yeah, it's just a single boot.
But it might still flex or something.
Yeah. I mean, the motor doesn't move at all. It's got a solid torque mount on it, and it barely moves like a quarter of an inch, barely. So I'm gonna try and run the intercooler piping down and around, so it has 2 couplers and some pipe it can flex on.
Yeah.
Because it's done this before. I moved the housing back and like reset it, and it was fine for a while, but I guess it's still don't think that's my boost issue, but
just shitty. Yeah. But yeah, we just got back from fucking, we went to eat and whatnot, and now we're kind of curious to see if he's got a cracked piston again, so.
Yay!
Check compression real quick and see how low number 3 is.
Yep.
What was it before? Like 130 PSI you said?
135, and the rest of them was like 145, 150.
So, take the fucking little fancy ass spark plug wire cover thing and bobber jig thing off.
Yeah.
Take plug wires out, take plugs out, compressor check it.
See what she does.
Yep.
Probably fucked.
Hopefully it's not. Hopefully it's not. Yeah.
For sale. 4K.
For sale.
For sale.
For sale.
It's for sale, not on sale, fuckers. Don't lowball me. I know what my shit's worth.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
Alright, ready?
No, not yet. Not focusing. Fucking focus. There we go.
Ready? I usually go 10 clicks, so what's that at?
A little over 120, or like 130.
Release it.
I mean, it's cold.
Yeah, we'll do it again when it's hot. I'll do it one more time, I guess.
Yep, about the same.
Okay. What, 120, 130?
A little above 120, so like 130-ish.
130. Take that one loose. Almost.
Hard to film and fucking loosen. Thanks, Daddy.
Worthless.
Love you too.
That's somebody else, I know.
Mm.
Alrighty. Ready, Gable?
125.
Right at or what?
Yeah, right about.
A little less. Okay.
Yeah.
Call it like 123.
Decently close-ish.
Yeah, but it should be like 150.
Yeah, I mean, that's the thing, dude. My B16, that was like, you'd take the piston, and the piston to wall was so bad you could like clonk it back and forth. That's like what mine was, like 130-ish.
Yeah.
And it didn't make very good.
1 to 33,000 ring gap.
Yeah, well. Yeah, I don't know what mine was, so. Ooh, she's hurt. Not hurt, but she's lower on that one.
Yeah,
Not even 125. Fucking send it.
There. Fucking done, bro. Dude, seriously, fuck off.
Should have had a V8.
I'm gonna part this out. Let me know if you guys need anything.
Fuck you. Just keep it.
Fuck you, I'm over it.
Everybody in the comments, tell him what he should do. Keep it or sell it.
Keep it or sell it.
I say he keeps it.
Go shove it down somebody's ass that knows they fucked up.
Fuck him. Damn, boy. That one's a fucking stud.
Yeah.
God damn, fucking 140 some PSI.
That's what they all should be.
Don't make sense.
Because the last time, every one of them was 145, except for the one that was 135.
Something's hurt or something. And is you sure it's smoking again or no? Not sure.
I could have swore I saw it puff a little bit out the fucking exhaust after the burnout, and that's when it started on the last one.
That's with the throttle body open, right?
Yeah, it's open on all of them.
Yeah. Well, don't know what to tell you. Could be hurt. I'd just still send it.
I'm gonna sell it till there's, I'm gonna send it till there's a rod through the block. I'm done. I'm gonna fucking take off the wastegate, put a line straight to the fucking throttle body on the top of the gate.
Once you start chucking pistons out the hood exit, you know you're
Fucking
good.
done. I'm over it. Selling it.
Oh man, oh man. Nice knowing you.